This is a recording of a paper released by RippleNet in 2024 and could be found within their website. The downloadable link will be below. We'll be using abbreviations throughout this reading such as DLT, Distributed Ledger, Technology, and RLN, Regulated Liability Network. Tokenized Deposits, Essentials and Impact. Tokenized deposits. Snapshot. Tokenized bank deposits represent a groundbreaking fusion of traditional banking with blockchain technology, ushering in a new paradigm in financial transactions. As banks and distributed ledger technology, DLT firms collaborate, they are exploring the potential of bringing regulated liabilities such as commercial and central bank money and e-money onto blockchain networks. This synergy could revolutionize payment systems, introducing always-on, programmable, instant transaction settlement capabilities to replace outdated payment infrastructures. Tony McLaughlin, Citibank's head of emerging payments and business development, envisions a future where such networks not only tokenize regulated liabilities, but also assets on the same chain, creating a unified, regulated Internet of Value. This represents a significant departure from the current compartmentalized financial architecture. In other words, tokenized liabilities are a groundbreaking development in financial technology, enabling traditional bank obligations, such as deposits, to be managed on the blockchain as digital tokens, promising greater transparency and efficiency in transactions. 2. The Regulated Liability Network (RLN) initiative between the Federal Reserve Bank of New York's Innovation Center (NYIC) and the Bank for International Settlements is a prime example of the potential of the technology. Understanding tokenized bank deposits, essentials and impact. The rising interest and advancement in blockchain technologies has highlighted the need for blockchain-specific cash equivalents, which are essential for liquid transactions and value storage within blockchain environments. Historically, this demand has been fulfilled by stablecoins. Blockchain technology becomes more prevalent in payments and complex commercial transactions, including sophisticated institutional activities. It raises questions about the most suitable forms of digital money for value transfer on blockchain systems. In this context, blockchain-based deposit tokens are emerging as a promising form of digital money. These tokens represent traditional deposits held by licensed depository institutions like commercial banks, but are recorded on a blockchain. From the perspective of the issuing bank, deposit tokens are merely a reorganization of deposit liabilities on their balance sheet without altering the bank's asset composition. A critical aspect of tokenized deposits is their treatment as either bearer instruments, which possess inherent risks like transferability and price volatility, or as a more secure model where payments involve the reissuing of tokens alongside concurrent transfers of central bank money using wholesale CBDCs. This approach ensures the integrity of money's singleness, where different forms like cash and bank deposits retain interchangeable value, preventing the circulation or trading of tokenized deposits from different banks with each other. Tokenized bank deposits, mirroring over 90% of the money currently in use, can support a range of functions including domestic and international payments, trading, settlement, and providing cash collateral. When tokenized, deposits can transform into programmable, always-active instruments that enable instantaneous, intermediary-free transfers. This capability allows for sophisticated payment operations and the quick movement of collateral, 90%. Tokenized bank deposits, mirroring over 90% of the money currently in use, can support a range of functions including domestic and international payments, trading, settlement, and providing cash collateral. Otherwise known as RLN, the Regulated Liability Network is a blockchain-based system designed to handle regulated liabilities. Tokenized regulated liabilities serve as digital stand-ins for conventional deposit holdings, stored within a wallet rather than a traditional bank account. They maintain their value on a one-to-one basis with national currencies. The initiative for RLN comes from a collaboration between the Federal Reserve Bank of New York's Innovation Center, NYIC, and the Bank for International Settlements. It aims to create a network where both public and private financial institutions can interact more seamlessly. The Regulated Liability Network Initiative, RLN, is being tested in the United States as a platform to facilitate digital transactions across different financial institutions using shared ledger technology. Unlike JP Morgan's and Citi's systems, which are based on private blockchains, the RLN is intended to be a multi-bank system that improves interoperability between various institutions' digital asset solutions. The proof of concept for the RLN was successful, demonstrating that it could enable transparent and nearly instant value transfer with round-the-clock availability. When compared to traditional real-time gross settlement systems, the RLN showed significant improvements in speed, efficiency, reliability, and security. The bridge to digital money. A significant advantage of the RLN is that it is built to operate within the current legal and regulatory frameworks. This means it doesn't require new laws or regulations to be created for it to function, which is a common barrier for new financial technologies. Should stablecoins receive the green light from regulators and ensure parity redemption, they too could be incorporated into a RLN. Unlike JP Morgan's and Citi's systems, which are based on private blockchains, the RLN is intended to be a multi-bank system that improves interoperability between various institutions' digital asset solutions. As we contemplate the future of finance in the wake of these advancements in tokenized deposits and the Regulated Liability Network (RLN), it is clear that we are on the cusp of a major transformation in how we perceive and interact with money. The integration of blockchain technology into traditional banking systems is not just an innovation, it's a revolution that promises to redefine the very fabric of financial transactions. With the successful implementation of RLN and the growing acceptance of tokenized deposits, we are moving towards a financial ecosystem that is more interconnected, efficient, and secure. The potential for tokenized deposits to streamline payments, both domestic and international, and to facilitate more complex financial operations, is immense. These digital assets, operating within the existing legal and regulatory frameworks, are set to bridge the gap between traditional banking and the evolving world of digital money. The future likely holds a financial landscape where blockchain-based systems coexist and cooperate seamlessly with traditional banking structures, offering consumers and institutions alike greater flexibility, speed, and security in their financial dealings. As we advance, the key will be in balancing innovation with regulation, ensuring that the benefits of these technologies are maximized while managing their risks. Ripple is a blockchain solutions company that transforms how the world moves, manages, and tokenizes value. Ripple's financial solutions are faster, more transparent, and more cost-effective, solving inefficiencies that have long defined the status quo. We identify use cases where blockchain technology will inspire new business models and create opportunities for more people. With every solution, we're realizing a more sustainable global economy and planet, increasing access to inclusive and scalable financial systems. This is how we deliver on our mission to build breakthrough blockchain solutions for a world without economic borders. This concludes the document. All documents are in the public domain or is provided privately through the given company mailing list. All information are subject to any change and can reflect a particular organization outlook or an accord from multiple parties.